It is time for the final two then. KKR versus SRH. After they got the result in Chepauk against RR, you're watching the fan cams. Find out what a Chennai crowd had to say about Hyderabad and Rajasthan. Guess who we find, lad? Jake Kings yet again. I keep running into you. You must be absolutely over the moon, mate.
I'm on top of the world. We're all on top of the world here. As you can tell, my voice is almost gone. Getting the Sunrisers boys over the line is just absolutely tremendous.
Finishing third in IPL 2024, is that a comforting thought?
No, not at all.
No?
We deserve to win.
What did you expect? Did you expect a super over?
Not really. I expect a closer game at least, not a completely one-sided game.
I actually don't know what happened. I mean, we expected a pretty good game from them. Even the beginning part was quite well. We thought so. But then after Jaiswal went, slowly the pace of Rajasthan started falling down, and then it just went horrible.
I think Rajasthan missed the trick by not sending Hetmeyer in front of Ashwin and Dhruv Jurel because SRH were bowling with two left-arm spinners, and I think that was the turning point.
We are waiting for the second time. The second star is going to be added to this Sunday, Indian Premier League.
I'm a forever CSK fan, but today I was supporting RR, yes.
And why so?
Just because I don't want to see Pat Cummins win one trophy for once.
Really?
एक बार प्यार से कहा होता मैं जानबूझ के हार जाता.
You are the only channel I come and wait, to talk to you guys.
We made you famous.
I know you made me famous.
So last time you were wearing yellow, insert that clip above. And right now you're wearing orange.
See, as a CSK fan, it is just a temporary loss. Anyway, we are going to win the cup.
You've got this, man.
Sending me on Reddit. I told you on that day that we will win. So because CSK is not there, and I still can't be away from cricket. I have to still come and support, and I can't come just and watch. I have to be involved in the game.
बॉलर्स के लिए इस पिच पे कुछ नहीं है और उनके चार बैट्समैन जबरदस्त फॉर्म में.
If I told you guys were making the IPL final before the IPL started, would you guys believe me?
Never after the 3-year experience what we had of being at 8th, 10th and 10th again.
Yeah.
No one will expect this.
Just explain to me the people that you're with. You have two people here in CSK's jerseys and one RR boy. Who are they?
Both CSK fan. He's also actually RCB fan. I'm very happy they are not out.
You're an RCB fan. And after RR beat RCB, you're walking away.
I don't want to say anything.
क्या भाई यहाँ पे किस लिए आए हो? यहाँ मेला लगा है क्या?
Where are you from?
I'm from Chennai.
You're from Chennai. So now are you an SRH fan or a CSK fan?
SRS.
SRH. You heard it. Pat Cummins, you're winning hearts. You are winning hearts. Give me 5. Brilliant.
I think the Aussie character, has been instilled into the team by Pat Cummins.
Well, he's one of the best captains. As an Indian fan, it's not really easy to say that. But again, it's good to see a good captain and a good cricket being played.
He just understood the pitch and how it turns, and he used the spinners well and the extra bowlers very well, and he did really good.
SRH got the right decision to buying him at 20 crores.
So now if you think about it, WTC, he has that. He has the World Cup and maybe the IPL loading.
IPL, definitely. I think most like the favourites to win.
If he goes on to win the IPL, would you probably put him in the great captains in world cricket?
I think he's already a great captain. I think it'll make him among the GOATs if he wins the IPL too.
India will win the World Cup. Of course. But SRH won't win the IPL. Would you be happy?
No. It's India first always, then only the franchise cricket.
Okay, super. And who is your man of the match? Who did you like the best?
I like Jaiswal's dismissal.
Jaiswal's dismissal. And Abhishek Sharma got him out, yeah? He normally is a batter, but he bowled well today. The first time he's ever bowled this IPL.
That was very unexpected actually. Shahbaz and Abhishek Sharma, too good on the day.
Didn't expect that kind of spin what he got on the pitch.
Who's your man of the match?
Klaasen should be Klaasen because taking the team to 175 needed someone to step up for Klaasen, did that job, and
Who do you think is going to win the final? Again, Chepauk, Chennai, Sunday evening. KKR or SRH?
KKR is more advantage than SRH.
Yeah? What do you feel? KKR?
KKR. SRH for sure.
SRH?
KKR.
KKR 3-1.
It will be close, but I think it's KKR.
It might be KKR. I'm not sure.
I think Cummins will dominate, and Stark will bowl the first ball to Travis Head, and Travis Head will hit him back over his head for 6. That's my prediction for the first ball.
In Chennai, all the three teams have lost against CSK. KKR, SRH and RR. RR is already out. SRH has won a match in Chidambaram Stadium. They've understood the environment. They now know the environment, etc. And KKR comes with 5 days of rest, and they've not seen the environment. They're not won here in Chennai this season. So I believe SRH is going to come with a 1% edge.
Final is going to be interesting. I think both are playing a similar brand of cricket. I think fearless cricket, go for the ball from ball one.
Okay, super. Can you tell everyone to subscribe to cricket.com?
I've already subscribed. I've been following you guys since more than 6 months.
Subscribe to cricket.com, most knowledgeable cricket channel in this earth.
Wow! Blimey! Thank you so much.
I really loved it. I'm not making it up.
Yeah.
I really loved your channel.